Good morning. My name is Kari Capone, and I am the founder and owner of The Spinning Hand. I created The Spinning Hand so that I could match beautiful yarn and beautiful projects with the people who love to knit and crochet them. Um, when I first started out as a knitter, I was the opposite of a yarn snob. My great aunt handed me a pair of really sticky plastic needles that someone had donated to her. She handed me a ball of red heart yarn in a bright teal, and she told me to get to work. And when I was first knitting, I would just use whatever yarn I could find. And it wasn't until I started my first job at a local yarn shop that I really became a yarn snob. So shout out to Mira from Knit Knack, this beautiful store that used to be down the street from where I lived in Maplewood, New Jersey. Mira has since moved on to the San Francisco Bay Area, and I miss her and I miss her shop. But what she gave to me was this amazing love of luxury yarn. So, speaking of luxury yarn, I am so excited this morning to announce that we are having a new giveaway. This is going to be our biggest giveaway yet. Um, it's going to include hand-dyed yarn called Alta Truth, and the colorway is called Cosmic. Therefore, ergo, we called the hat and fingerless mitts set that you can make out of this beautiful yarn the Cosmic Truth hat and mitts set. So here is what it looks like. And when you get this kit, you'll get it in a skein, but look how cute it looks when it's wound up into a ball. It kind of looks to me like stars swirling around the sun. So, woo, Cosmic Truth. I forget who told me. Oh, my friend Nancy said to me, you know what? If you wear these colors, these are called highlighter colors. And so they're flattering on every skin tone. So there you go, highlighter colors. The giveaway starts today. The giveaway is live now. So if you want to enter a free kit, and it comes with the yarn, it comes with the full color pattern. What else does it come with? Wool wash, Eucalan wool wash, and I'm also going to throw in some other goodies. If you want to win your own kit, all you have to do is head to thespinninghand.com/join, and you can win your own. Let me focus on comments now. Sue, hello from Illinois. What part of Illinois are you in, Sue? It's a pleasure to see you. So that's what we have going on here. Oh, and I wanted to tell you that the yardage for this yarn is unbelievable. So I made a hat. I made the small size, which fits me snugly. Like if you wanted to use the larger size, it would be more of a slouchy hat. I have what you would call an average size head, not extra big, not extra small, kind of in the middle. And from the same ball of yarn, I made fingerless mitts. Thank you, Jess, for putting the link in the notes. It's thespinninghand.com/win. So I made, and these are the large versions. They're loose of the fingerless mitts. And hey, Jerry. Oh, and Sue, you're from Taylorville, central part of the state. Beautiful. Is it cold in Illinois? It's starting to get cold here in New Jersey. Jess, Jerry, and I are all from like New Jersey, and Jess is on Long Island. I wouldn't say it's cold, but it's like it's finally fall weather, which is very nice. So the yardage of this is so great that I made a hat, I made the mitts, I made another mitt, and almost the second. And I love how this one, the color kind of pools. I think that's what it's called when you have like the green and the blue kind of like pooling in one area, and then you have this crazy like hot pink stripe here. Yeah, it's really psychedelic. I just love it. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to make extra long mitts, if you want to make an extra slouchy hat, one skein will give you a ton of yardage. So how to win. The giveaway starts today and it goes until next week. I'm going to announce the winner here live on Facebook a week from today. So there are lots of chances to win. You get entries by joining the email list. And even if you're already on the email list, go ahead and sign up anyway, because this is a list just for the giveaway. And don't worry, we're not going to spam you. You're not going to get extra emails or anything like this. Okay, so Sue says it's not quite getting cold yet. Yeah. Well, that's why I like, knitting something small. So we're not knitting a blanket yet. This is very portable. So other things that you can do to enter the giveaway is follow us on Instagram at thespinninghand. Follow us on Facebook if you haven't already. So there's like a list of things that you can do to get extra entries. And go ahead and tell other people that like, hey, there's this giveaway going on. The more the merrier. So that's what's going on with that. I have to say, like, and not to sound like I'm tooting my own horn, but this is one of my favorite kits ever. It's just so colorful. It's so happy. And I do have a limited number of this colorway on hand. So once they're sold out, they're sold out. They're not dyeing more. These are dyed in Turkey. Jerry says, is this the same mitts pattern I can use on the alpaca yarn? I can't remember which alpaca yarn that you used. But I will say that you use size 5 needles. So you can, this pattern is definitely good. Like if the yarn is good for size 5 needles or like 6 or 4, you can definitely use it. But yeah, remind me what alpaca yarn that we were using, Jerry. I forget. Okay, so let me see here. Next is, I'm hiding this and I'm showing this. We have new fat bottom bags in stock. So we got a new shipment from the sisters in Florida, and you guys, this one is, and I forget exactly what I called them all, but this one has like cotton bolls, BOLLs, and it has like gold shiny bits. And then the bottom fabric, it's like knitted fabric. I mean, it to me, it looks like little golden knits. So we've got that. We've got this one that, again, I love the shiny gold accents. And then it's got balls of yarn on the bottom. This one is very fun. It's, again, Cacha Azteca Mil Reyes. Oh, Jerry. So I still owe you a pattern for that, because we're going to need like size 9 or 10 needles. So you are on my to-do list. I mean, not you, but that pattern is on my to-do list. There's like a sticky note right on my bulletin board that I still owe you that pattern. So yes, please be patient with me. But yes, we definitely need to get that mitts pattern written. And maybe, Jess, if you're listening, maybe put an Asana task on there for me. But yes, I will do that. So the next pattern is, I don't know how to describe this, but all different sorts of sayings together. Knit together, love to knit, knit along, knit it. So this one has like more of an 80s feel to me, with the black background and the bright colors. Okay, thank you, Jerry. And then I have actually small bags to go with this colorway as well, but I love this just like sort of light blue with raindrops and flowers. And these bags are super roomy. They have a nice drawstring closure, and then they have the wrist thing as well. I would use these just to walk around town, like for my own purses. So these are up on the site now. You can go to thespinninghand.com and just click shop now, and they're right there. They are $30 each, but if you are on my email list, then you get a 20% discount. So don't forget to use that if you go shopping. Okay, item number 3. We have a lot of new things in the shop this week, so I'm trying to keep track of everything. Hide that and show this. So, Jess, I don't know if you're listening, but I have a confession. I started the pattern. So, Jessica, who's our project manager, she designed this beautiful cowl called the Mill Pond Cowl. And it is crochet. It's a really cool pattern that I've never done before, but it's single crochet and double crochet. So if you can do both of those stitches, you're good to go. And it is turning out so pretty. I love the fabric that is coming out of this. So what we did was we sent out a few kits. If you want to be part of our crochet along, it starts a week from today, which I think is October 7th. Oh, I wrote October 8th. Let me fix that. All right, so I am editing this and I am changing that and I'm saving it and I'm showing it. Ta-da! The crochet along starts October 7th and there are a few kits left. So if you would like to have a kit and you would like to have all the yarn that you need to make this cowl and get the pattern, then you can just go to thespinninghand.com, click shop now, and the Mill Pond cowl is right there, the Mill Pond cowl kit. So I just want to show you a few new colors. Last week I showed you a few colors. This color is cocoa, so just like a nice deep chocolate brown. And this color is camellia, which is it's a sweet pink. It's not ridiculously sweet, but it's like kind of like a flowery floral pink. And again, this is one of those colors that just looks good on everybody. I happen to think that the pink and the chocolate brown look great together. I also have new to the shop this week, Orchidea Heather. So when you get the kit, you're going to get 2 skeins already wound for you. So you don't need to worry about winding it yourself. You could just jump right in and start the crochet along with us. Thank you. So Jess is like right in there with the links. So if you're joining us live or even if you're watching the replay, you can see in the comments, there's a link right to the fat bottom bags and there's a link to the cowl crochet along kit. Thank you, Jess. So in the kit, you get 2 skeins wound up into balls, and you also get a code so you can download the pattern. And Jess does not mess around when it comes to her patterns. They are so carefully tested. She even has a version that is specifically for people who need larger font, larger type, something that's more accessible. She has her patterns tested and tech edited, so you don't have to worry that things are that there are going to be mistakes or that kind of thing. Plus, you get 4 weeks of the crochet along. So every Thursday evening, we're going to meet as a group on Zoom. So wherever you are in the country, and maybe someday we'll have international as well. But wherever you are, you can just join us online and crochet along with us. So like I said, I have a few kits left that I can ship to you in time for next Thursday. If next week you're like, you know what, I really want to do this, and you just want to buy the pattern and join us, you can do that too. That is totally fine. But in order to get this yarn in your hands in time, I want you to go ahead, head to that link and click buy now so that you have the colors that you want and the yarn in time for the crochet along. It's so nice. I love being able to crochet or knit with people online. It's relaxing. I don't have to get out of my jammies and I can just sit there at night with my tea and just enjoy and meet new people. I mean, there aren't many other hobbies or activities that I can think of where I can meet people from Illinois, from different parts of New Jersey that I would never go to, It's very nice. So I've really cherished the different people that I've met through the spinning hand, and the yarn community is a good community. So yeah, so those are the three things today. We have the giveaway. So go ahead and head to thespinninghand.com/win. We have the new bags from Fat Bottom Bags, and we have a new color. And yes, Jerry, I will email you the code to get the pattern so that you're ready to roll. Absolutely. Yeah, and so we have the crochet along starting next week. So lots of good things happening. Also, Jess and I are cooking up some surprises for you. Definitely keep your eyes open in the month of October. You can join us every Thursday here. If there's ever anything that you want to talk about, or any burning questions that you have, go ahead and send me a message. Otherwise, we'll just keep on keeping on. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Enjoy this cooler weather as it eventually comes. And yeah, talk to you soon. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye.